From books to skincare. All right, so you've seen the TikTok hacks and the DIY facial trends, but social media is full of skincare advice, and not all of it is good for you. So skincare expert, esthetician Marconi Rodas is here from Biologique Recherche Paris. And before we get into it, we want to make sure people know, consult your healthcare professional before trying any new techniques or treatments. But Marconi, thanks for being here with Tyler, our model today.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
But we've seen a lot of these viral trends of like what to do with your skin. But why is it dangerous to have that one-size-fit-all approach for your skincare?
Because skincare is very rigid. We have the oil, the combination, the dry, but we're really focusing more on like hyper customization.
Yeah.
And you know, we could both be in the oily category, but you can be really inflamed.
Yeah.
I can really be breakout sensitive. And so we really want to approach differently. And if I'm using something that you're allergic to, it just does not one size fits all.
Exactly. And one of those things we want to talk about, though, is lymphatic drainage. A lot of people go viral for doing it, but what exactly are they doing wrong online?
Yeah, lymphatic drainage is really powerful. At its core, what it is, it's kind of the network of waste that we kind of get rid of in the body. And so it's a really great way to sculpt and detox. And I think it's going viral because you can really see like immediate difference. And with Taylor here, we did, before we came on camera, I did half her face here, and you can kind of really see the difference. Yeah. Her eyes lifted, right? And so it's a lot more chiseled to this side. And so what I was really doing here was just really focusing on bringing the fluid here to these nodes that we can really collect it and drain it into the body.
Yeah, and it's not really, you're not pushing down on the skin. It's
no,
more
it's feather light.
stimulating.
It's feather light pressure, right? You don't need tons of pressure. But that's when you create friction, irritation, redness, all the things you don't want.
Yeah, because people are using all types of gadgets. You guys actually gave us some do's and don'ts, and the first one was you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on random gadgets that go viral. Your hands
are free.
Your hands are literally free. And you also talk about see people, reactive and proactive, but you guys like the proactive method, the protective, method. What exactly does that mean? Especially now that it's getting warmer out.
Yeah, so I mean, with summer skincare in mind, right, we would really want to think about sun protection, right? That's non-negotiable. Yeah. But there's definitely a way to really enhance and kind of complement the sunscreen, right? Yeah. We have we have some products for summer routine. We want to talk about cleansing with something light because we want to start shifting over, right? The winter, especially here in Boston, can be really brutal. Yeah. We had a really brutal winter this year. Yeah. But summer's coming, so we want to think something more lightweight. So we have a really invigorating cleanser here with VIPO2. Yeah. Then we have our lightweight P50T, which is a newer kind of everyday exfoliant, really mild.
So you should be exfoliating your skin every day.
I mean, it depends on the brand, but with Biologique, we have a product that's designed to be used daily. And we have different kind of strains of acids in them as well, so you can kind of graduate between. We have a mask here for hydration because you never want to skip that.
I always need that one.
when we sweat, right, we're excreting a lot of water, so we want to replenish that.
That makes sense.
And so we also have our hydrating serum here, which is very light. And then we have our Serum Spectral, which is really, really beautiful to really complement your sunscreen. This is going to be really rich in antioxidants. Yeah. It's going to help build resilience against sun damage and light damage. 80% of aging is from actually light exposure and sun exposure. Yeah. And so this can help really undo that as well.
And off the top, we talked about the fact that your skin isn't just dry or oily. It's complex. Our bodies are complex.
Exactly.
And you guys offer a service that kind of gets people to the core of what their skin actually looks like?
Yeah, so I think you're referring to our Skin Instant Lab, our SIL, which we didn't get to do. You have to come back and get that done. And so it's a nice tool that we have to really check the skin. We have some probes that can really check things for like hydration, elasticity, sebum, and we can really hyper-customize and tailor a routine for you and a treatment plan when you come visit us.
I love that. Well, thank you. Before we go, where can we find you?
Yeah, so you can find the Biologique residence on Newberry Street here in Boston.
Thanks for your expertise. And Taylor, you look gorgeous.